Gretchen. Welcome back to my channel. I am so very excited for today's video because today we are going to be playing with the newest palette from Nomad Cosmetics called Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. I'm really excited that Nomad sent me this palette for me to play with and showcase to you all, so thank you so much, Nomad. This video is in no way sponsored. This is all on my own to make this content for you all, and I'm so very excited and so very grateful to Nomad for sending me this. Yes, I do create this look in today's video. As you can tell, the theme of this palette is Ireland. Just take a look. I am obsessed. I used to be someone who was very nervous about green eyeshadows. As much as I love them, I was very nervous about them because I just felt like they always ended up muddy looking on my eyes, and it's just because I would slap them all together and then try and blend them, and I'm the worst with blending, but it's fine. We make it work. And I just love how it's not entirely green. Like when you think Ireland, you know, green is like the automatic color, but I love how there's gold in here, there's blues, there's even some just like neutral, so you can have some transitional shades. I am obsessed with this palette. I mention it while I'm doing the look, but this shimmer up here, I just want to take that and just all over my eyelid. Nothing else, just that's all I need is that one right there. So this palette does feature 7 shimmers and 11 mattes, which I think is a pretty good amount. I do like that we have some transitional shades in there. I know a lot of people are not fans of like taupes or something like that. They just want the super bright colors, but it's nice when a palette has that kind of a shade in there so that you don't have to reach for another palette or something if you're trying to find a good transitional shade. But I do like that they included it. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I personally enjoy it. If you read on the back of the palette, it says designed on location, adventuring along Ireland's Grand West Coast, proud supporter of Irish Wildlife Trust. Also, this palette, it's velvety. The feel of it is so nice. Obviously the camera can't really pick it up, but it's got like this velvety texture. There's also a really fun print within the velvet. I do love the gold accents against the green, but I am already obsessed with this palette. And if you yourself would like to get this palette or anything from Nomad Cosmetics, you can use the code Gretchen to save yourself 10% off your order. So if you are interested, that is available to you. Let's go ahead and get into this look using Nomad Cosmetics' newest palette, Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. Hello lovelies, I am so excited to be playing with this palette from Nomad Cosmetics. It is Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. I definitely want to do a green look. Obviously I have a green top on, I have some green plugs in, and even though there are some blues that I will eventually play with, I definitely want to focus on the greens today and maybe even a little bit of a gold. But first I need to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Eye Primer. This is probably my favorite eyeshadow primer, and also look, it's green as well. It just fits the theme for today. I should have done green nail polish. Didn't think about that. Also, it feels very weird to have my face makeup already on because if you've been around, you know I like to do my eye makeup first and then my face makeup. So I decided for the sake of this video, because I wanted to focus on the palette itself, to go ahead and do my face makeup, and I'm like, this feels very strange to already have this on. I don't have lipstick on yet because I haven't decided what I'm going to pair with the eye look. It feels weird to have my face makeup already on. So looking into the palette, there's definitely one shimmer that I really want to use today, and that is this upper left corner one, all the way, it's the top row, all the way over on the left. Now I did have to look up a pronunciation for this one because I figured it's probably not going to be pronounced the way that I, just by reading the name, think it's going to be pronounced, and I'm glad I did because it is not. Now, I don't know if I'm going to say this correctly, so if I don't, I'm trying my best. I did try and look up a pronunciation, but this top shimmer is called Geaux. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I'll type it out here because it's obviously small here, but it's Geaux. I think there's supposed to be like an emphasis, Geaux. If I'm mispronouncing that, I'm so sorry, but I definitely, that's what I want to base this entire look on, is that being like the focal point. But before we get there, I got a few other shadows that I want to play with. So the first color is going to be for my crease, and I'm going to go into Wild Atlantic Way, which is what the palette is named, Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. We got to use that one, and it's this just, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a gorgeous, I don't want to say sage green because it's not quite brownish enough for that, but it's got that muted tone to it, and I think in the crease, oh my God. That's so pretty. I'm a sucker for greens. I used to be scared of green eyeshadow because I was like, I don't really know how to work with this, but I am a huge fan now. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. This shade actually reminds me a little bit of the green that my husband and I used for our wedding colors. We did green and black as our wedding colors, and just like initial glance at that shade, it's similar. This has a little less of like yellowish brown undertone to it, but it kind of reminds me of it. I'm just getting that into the crease. Because I have deep set eyes, I like to bring the shadow up a little bit more just so you can see it. Kind of like what you do with hooded eyelids. You bring it up just a little bit more than where your actual crease is so that you can really see it. Look how pigmented that is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So now that I have my crease shadow down, I wanna go do the outer corner, and I'm gonna go into Blarney Stone, which is a darker emerald green, absolutely stunning. And I wanna put that on my outer corner and like blend it a little bit into the crease, but not too much. So I'm gonna take my more compact brush. Also, I know a lot of times people will be like, I'm using this brush, I'm using this brush. I honestly could not tell you what some of these brushes are. I've had them for so long. I should probably get new brushes at some point. But I just wanna put it right here on the outer corner, pack it in there. That is so pretty. Same thing on this side. Like, this doesn't take a whole lot to get that pigment in there. Just like pack it down there a little bit more just to make sure it's really vibrant and in there. And then with these two, I'll blend it just a little bit together. They're very similar colors, but you can definitely tell that the crease one, the Wild Atlantic Way, is a little bit lighter, but it's the same family. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Now that we have what I consider like my little frame down, I want to go into some shimmers. So it's time for what I feel is going to be the main attraction, which again is that shimmer up here, pronounced Geaux. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. I tried. But this one right here, I want it to be on right directly in the center of my eyelid, because then I'm gonna have another shimmer that I put on the inner part. But before I do that, I wanna put down some of my NYX glitter primer just to make sure that it sticks pretty well. Pop that in there. I'm gonna put it on the inner part of my eyelid as well as the center, just because I wanna make sure that this shimmer shows up and sticks well. And now I'm gonna go in. I'm so excited to see how this looks. I really just want to like slather it all over my eyelid and call it a day. I feel like that could be a look. Just go in here, pick it up. That's so pretty. I hate messing up the eyeshadow like pans because they're so pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. I am obsessed with this shimmer. That is stunning. Look how well that shows up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I just want to keep going with it. I could just put it everywhere. I could use this as highlight. I just plop it right there. I cannot get over that one. I knew that one was gonna be pretty. As soon as I saw that in the pan, I knew that was gonna be absolutely stunning on. I think I might bring it over a little bit more because I really want it to be like the star. So I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more. We might come back to it and put a little bit more just because I'm obsessed with it. And then for the inner corner, I'm thinking Ring of Kerry down here, which is a gorgeous gold. And I think just popping that right there so it's not entirely green in this look. That right in there. Blend it up a little bit. That's where my vision is going. I can't get over how well this is all blending together. You know, sometimes you have to really work to get a blend to happen. These I'm not having to work that hard, which I love because I am not the best at blending. People will be like, oh yeah, blend until your arms fall off. And I'm like, I can't be doing that. I don't have time for that. So I appreciate when a shadow does not take all of my arm strength to blend. So thank you, Nomad Cosmetics, for making a formula so I don't have to get my arm workout in while I'm blending. Cleanup action here. Get Blarney Stone mixed in to those shimmers so they blend well seamlessly. We'll say the shimmers are getting everywhere as I expected them to, and you know what? I'm not mad about it. And then I need to do lower lash lines, so I think what I'll do here, kind of just bring a mix of everything that I have going on the top lid down onto the lower lid. So I'll take just a smidge of Blarney Stone and bring it down onto the outer part of the lower lash line. And then I'll take some of Wild Atlantic Way, kind of blend that in. I'd have to do a little bit cleanup. That's fine though. And then I want some of the shimmer down here as well. So just pick up a little bit of that, pop that down there, as well as the gold. And there we go with this look. I'm obsessed with how this look has turned out. Got a little bit of shimmer here that I need to try and wipe away. without smearing it everywhere. But it's shimmer though, and if I get shimmer everywhere, then I get shimmer everywhere. It just looks like I've got extra highlight going on. I'm gonna go throw some mascara on and a little bit of eyeliner, and I'll be right back so that we can pick out a lip color together that'll go with this. I'm thinking something a little bit more neutral, a little bit more muted, just because I don't want to take attention away from this look at all. All right, I've thrown on some eyeliner as well as a little bit of mascara and just some very light false lashes just so we can still see the full look. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. I would wear this every single day. For lips, I do think I'm gonna stick with a more light neutral, and so I'm gonna use the shade Mourning from Nomad Cosmetics, because this is just my go-to. If I want to focus more on the eyes, but I still want something on my lips, Mourning is usually which one I gravitate toward. I mean, it's very similar to what my natural lip shade is. And there you have it. There is the look that I created using Nomad Cosmetics' newest palette, Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. I love this. I want to play around with all of the shades. Maybe I'll do something like I do another look for like Instagram or TikTok, and then can post like the short here or something like that, because I definitely want to play around with some of these blues. I have ideas. I have ideas for blues. I have ideas for blue greens. I've got some looks coming together in my head, so definitely want to play around with this more. And there you have it. Here is the final look again, using shadows from Nomad Cosmetics' most recent palette, Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. Thank you again, Nomad, so much for sending me this palette. Again, this video is not sponsored, so all of these thoughts and ideas and opinions are my own. I'm just really, really excited to showcase this palette to you all. Again, if I could bathe in some of these shimmers, I would. They're just so pretty, and I cannot wait to play with this entire palette and create a bunch of looks with it. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so YouTube will let you know when I upload next. But until next time, bye lovelies.